exposing the flaws in Marvel's Ironheart, because even superheroes can have an identity crisis. If you're still mourning Tony Stark, brace yourself. This is not the hero you're looking for. Let's be real. Ironheart promised a fresh start, but the only thing new here is how quickly it fizzles out. Riri Williams, a supposed MIT super genius, gets kicked out for selling test answers? That's not clever. That's just lazy writing. Instead of Tony Stark's charm and growth, we get a hero obsessed with being iconic, but who mostly feels flat and unlikable. The story? All over the place. Like someone glued old MCU scripts together and called it a day. Even attempts at cultural authenticity feel more like box ticking than real representation. In the end, Ironheart is a missed opportunity. Less a bold new chapter, more a footnote in Marvel's struggle to recapture its magic.